Welcome to my channel, dude. So I make the video to prove it. This is how I made this Ironman Mark 42 helmet, and after I spending 2 weeks to finish the Ironman, and I have almost 90% of the helmet complete. With only ear I split here and cheeks, cheek. But I'm still working. On. However, the most of my plastic pie is almost gone. Said it was extremely full of plastic, and this is the finished product. I printed it. It looks terrible. Come on. Yes, like terrible, like this. And yes, this. And but I will apply a coat of primer. The reason I has had a wheel mask is because my friend is very small. You know what? This is a King KBN 3S. Yes, K3S. And I have cut in small piece to make it easy to print. And although I make it print easy, is actually it took me 2 weeks to print, and then sign of stopping. You know what? See, I'm gonna show you look around this helmet. Yeah, alright. But it's done. I just tell about you guys through how I made it. And I don't have anything to tell you, but if you comment in my video, I will answer all of it. Yes. Alright, now I have just finished this video. Okay, see you later.